Bonnie, happy Tuesday. I have got another video for you guys. Return to summer. Check it out. This is the Ipsy July Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, which means that Ipsy sent me both of these bags for free. So the Glam Bag is the little one. You get 5 deluxe samples. It is $13, and then the Glam Bag Plus, you get in these cool bags. I always use these for everything. This is $28. You get 5 full-size products. So I'm going to start with the little one first. Check it out. It has got a little starfish on it. It is blue. I am loving this bag. It's not Halloween, but I still love it. It has got a yellow interior. So I'm going to take out all of this stuff in the little bag, and I'm actually pretty excited. I did a sneak peek of this one. So the first thing I got is the Bright Wave Energizing Brightening Eye Cream. It is cruelty-free, vegan, dermatologist tested, and clean. I'm trying to do a little makeup bag to keep at our other place, so that way I don't have to keep taking all my makeup over, and I keep the bathroom clean for John. So I'm utilizing these little tiny samples a lot. I also got the Bad Gal Bang. This is from Benefit. I love this mascara, you guys. Wonderful mascara. I always throw my mascara out after like 2 weeks, so I prefer the little ones. I also got Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. I do use this a little bit. I feel like my skin is just getting bad lately. I haven't been doing my makeup as much as I put makeup on, but I don't get very creative these days. As long as I have makeup on, that's all that matters. I got to get a little bit better with that. I also am doing, this is the Gold Faden MD. It's a Vital Boost even skin tone daily moisturizer. I need that. I need some more moisturization. I swear. Oh my gosh. And then I also got I think this is a eye pencil. It's an eye pencil from Prestige. So that is good too. So cute little bag. I am going to utilize some of those products. In the big bag, check it out. Like I said, I love these drawstring bags. Going back and forth, I always put things in these bags, and I have them all over the house. They're really neat to store things in, like hair scrunchies. Wonderful storage bag. So in the big bag, I got the Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattified Broad Spectrum SPF 45. This is a good product. I don't know if I actually probably do need acne control right now. I'm so nervous. But I might try that out from Murad. I got the Volition Screen Time Hydro Mist. I'm not sure what this is. I will find out. Kind of excited about this. I do like a good misting product. This one has green tea and rosehip oil, so I got that. Check it out. I got a palette of some sort. I didn't even open it, you guys. Oh, this is Wing Me Ambitious Violet. That sounds nice. I am a huge fan of purple eyeshadow. Oh, this is so pretty. So lately I have been wearing a lot of brown eyeshadow because it's just easiest to grab. But when I get creative, I like purples, and I'm really loving that shade right there, and then the sparkly purple. So I will definitely utilize this. I could use a little bit of a freshen up with makeup. I love purple during Halloween especially. From Item Beauty, I got the Boost Juice, dual end lash primer. Oh my gosh, I gotta try this. I do like products from them. This is Item Beauty. I gotta do a makeup video in my other space with the better lighting. I think it would work really, really well. I also got the Vamigas. What is this? Rose infused lip oil. I've never heard of this company before, but the product looks kind of interesting. Check it out. Ooh, beautiful. Look at this. Check it out. 2 lip glosses there. I wonder what they smell like. No scent on there. Let me put look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty though. Always nice to get a nice lip gloss going. So anyway, super excited about the July Ipsy bag this month, and I'm going to be doing Ipsy every month. I always get excited about Ipsy in the fall, so if you want to check them out, I'll put the link below. I hope everyone has an awesome Tuesday night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.